Okay, the drink we're about to make is called Southern Dream. Let's go ahead and fill up our glass with ice. And we're going to measure out 2.5 ounces of Southern Comfort. There's 1, and 2, and a half. And now we're going to follow that up with some Peachtree Schnapps. Let's go ahead and change glasses here. And we're going to do 3 ounces of peach schnapps. There's 1, and 2, and 3. So if you're looking for a drink that will put you right to sleep, you don't need to stir it up at all. But this drink is pure alcohol. Make sure you keep that in mind. And should put you to sleep pretty easily and get you going towards that Southern Dream that you've been trying to have. Bottoms up.